This is si Teacher Noel, handang tumulong sa inyo para padali ang pag-solve ng mga math problem niyo. At sa video ito, ituturo ko kung how to multiply fraction and multiply yung fraction by the whole number. At kung gusto mong matutunan ang araling ito, panoorin mo ang video ito hanggang dulo. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click ang bell button para palaging updated ka sa video na gagawin ko. At huwag din kalimutang mag-like at comments pagkatapos mong panoorin ito. Kaya learners, tara na at simulan na natin. Multiplying of fraction. How to multiply the fraction? So yung una po natin gagawin, multiply po natin yung numerator and denominator. So merong dalawang method yun, yung tinatawag nating long method at yung shortcut method. Okay, so paano po ba yung gagawin natin? So pag sinabing long method, yun yung nasa proseso. Paano natin yung step by step process. So yung tinatawag nating long method. Yung shortcut method naman, yung tinatawag nating cancellation process, na yung pwede nating cancel yung compatible number sa both sides. So, i-apply natin doon yung tinatawag nating cross multiplication or yung cancellation process. So, dito po muna tayo sa long method. 4/5 minus, multiply or rather, 4/5 times 2/4. Okay, sa long method po, ito po yung gagawin. I-multiply po natin yung numerator. 4 times 2, the answer is 8. Then, denominator, 5 times 4, the answer is 20. So, 8 and 20, pwede pa po nating reduce to the lowest term by using the common factor or yung GCF. So, the GCF of 8 and 40 and 20 is 4. So, yun yung gagamitin nating reduce the lowest term. 8 divided by 4, answer is 2. And 20 divided by 4, the answer is 5. So, our final answer is 2/5. Long method po to. Yung shortcut method naman, ito po yung gagawin natin. 4/5 times 2/4. So, i-apply po natin yung cross multiplication or yung cancellation process. So, ipa-x po natin, titingnan po natin ito, 4 and 4, mayroon po pa silang number na pwede nating multiply both sides or divide natin both sides. So, 4 and 4. So, ibig sabihin, pag kinancel po natin ito, pag dinivide natin both sides, a common factor ng 4 and 4 is of course 4. 4 divided by 4, the answer is 1. And 4 divided by 4, the answer is 1. So, yung 2 and 5, wala pong common factor. Yung common factor po nun is 1. So, ngayon, tapos na tayo mag-cancellation, multiply po natin yung natirang number. So, 1 times 2, the answer is 2. Then, 5 times 1, the answer is 5. Okay, so final answer natin is 2/5. So, ito po yung tinatawag nating shortcut method. Okay, sa inyo po yung learners ko saan po kayo komportable kapag gumamit long method or yung shortcut method. Another one, 3/15 and 5/6. So, apply po natin yung shortcut method. Okay, kasi po, mayroon pong number na pwedeng compatible or common numbers. So, 3 and 6, dito po muna tayo. So, meron, di ba? So, divide natin sa 3. Ang common factor nila is 3. So, divide po natin. 3 divided by 3, answer is 1. 6 divided by 3, ang answer nun is 2. Pag kinancel po natin yon, hindi nakasama yung number. So, ibig sabihin, yung sagot na lang. How about the number 5 and 15? So, 5 and 15, yes, meron din po. So, 5 and 15, ang common factor nila is 5. So, i-divide natin. 5 divided by 5, answer is 1. Yung 15 naman po, 15 divided by 5, ang answer is 3. Ngayon, ang natira na lang, 1, 1, 3, 2. Multiply natin yung numerator. 1 times 1, answer is 1. Then, 3 times 2, answer is 6. So, our answer is 1, 6. This is called shortcut method. Sa long method po, gawin natin para makita nyo rin kung sakto ba ang sagot natin. Yan. Multiply natin yung numerator. 3 times 5, answer is 15. Then, 15 times 6, answer 90. Then, 15 at saka 90, meron po siyang tinatawag na GCF or yung common factor. Sa answer po nun is, GCF nila is 15. Yan po. I-divide po natin yan sila both sides. So, yung GCF po, 15 divided by 15, answer is 1. 90 divided by 15, the answer is 6. Final answer is 1, 6. Same method. Depende po sa inyo kung saan kayo komportable. Another one, 9 over 7 times 1, 9. 9 over 7 times 1, 9. So, multiply po natin or pwede. Okay, cross multiplication tayo kasi yung 9 at saka 9 pwede po. Cancel. Common factor nila is 9. 9 divided by 9, ang sagot is 1. So, 9 divided by 9, answer is 1. So, yung 7 at saka 1, hindi natin pwedeng makancel kasi wala silang common factor. Ang common factor nila is 1. So, ngayon, multiply na natin yung natira. 1 times 1, answer is 1. 7 times 1, the answer is 7. Yun. So, our final answer is 1 over 7. Pag long method, ganito po, 9 over 7 times 1 over 9, multiply 9 times 1, answer is 9. 7 times 9, answer 63. 9 and 63, meron tayong tinatawag na GCF o yung common factor, that is 9. So, i-divide natin siya both sides. 9 divided by 9, answer is 1. 63 divided by 9, answer 7. So, our final answer is 1 over 7. Another one, cancellation process. So, 7 at saka 6, hindi pwede po. Kasi wala siyang ika-cancel, wala siyang common factor. Common factor nila is 1. How about 2 and 10? So, meron. Pwede yung 2. Common factor nila is 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 10 divided by 2, 5. Then, multiply natin yung natira. 7 times 1, the answer is 7. 5 times 6, the answer is 30. So, our final answer is 7 over 30. Long method, 7 over 10 times 2 over 6. Okay, so cross multiplication, 7 times 2, the answer is 14. Then, 10 times 6, the answer is 60. 14 at saka 60, mayroong tinatawag na GCF na 2 or common factor. I-divide natin both sides. 14 divided by 2, answer 7. 60 divided by 2, answer 30. So, 7 and over 30. Another one, 8 over 5 times 3 tenths. So, 8 at saka 10, mayroon common factor. That is 2. Kakancel po natin kasi pwede siyang i-divide sa 2. So, 8 divided by 2, answer is 4. Then, 10 divided by 2, answer is 5. 3 and 5, hindi pwedeng i-cancel kasi wala po silang common factor. The only one is the common factor. Now, multiply numerator. 4 times 3, answer is 12. 5 times 5, answer 25. 12 at saka 25, hindi na po natin pwedeng i-lowest term. Kaya that was our final answer. 12 over 25. Long method, 8 over 5 times 3 over 10. Cross multiplication, 8 times 3, answer is 24 over 5 times 10. Answer is 50. So, then, reduce natin sa lowest term kasi 24 at saka 50, meron po. The GCF is 2. So, divide ulit. Pag yung GCF nakita natin, i-divide natin sa numerator at saka denominator. So, 24 divided by 2, answer is 12. Then, 50 divided by 2, answer 25. So, our final answer is 12 over 25. Next nating pag-aaralan ay yung tungkol sa multiplying fraction by whole number. So, paano nga po ba siya i-multiply? Since whole number po siya. So, for example, 81 times 7 over 8. 81 times 7 over 8. Kapag a whole number siya, may denominator automatically yung 1. Lalagyan po agad natin yung denominator. Secret denominator yon. Yan. So, pwede na po natin siyang i-multiply. Since pwede na may whole number, may denominator na yung whole number. So, same process pa rin kung pwede siyang i-reduce gagamitin shortcut method, pwede po. Long method, pwede din. So, nasa atin po yun. 81 over 1 and 7 over 8. So, 81 times 7, multiply po natin. Answer, 81 times 7, 567. Then 1 times 8, the answer is 8. So 567, pwede po natin siyang i-divide both sides. O gawin natin reduce sa lowest term or simplify. So 5, 6, 7 divided by 8. 56 divided by 8. Answer is 7. 7 times 8, the answer is 56. Then subtract 0, 7. 7 divided by 8, answer is 0. 0 times 8, 0. Bring down 7. Okay. So, paano po natin siya isusulat? So, ito po, whole number, 70 over, this is the numerator, this is the denominator, 8. So, our final answer is 77 over 8. Another one, 1/2 times 15. So, automatically, lagyan natin ng denominator na 1. Then, i-multiply na natin. 1 times 15, answer 15. Then, copy, multiply, 2 times 1, 2. 15 and 2, improper. So, divide po natin by 2. So, 15 divided by 2, answer 7. 7 times 2, 14. Subtract 15 minus 14, the answer is 1. Again, itong whole number, 7. Ito yung numerator, 1. Ito yung denominator, 2. So, our final answer is 7 and 1/2. Another one, 22 times 4 over 6 over 1. 22 and 6, pwede po natin reduce sa lowest term by the GCF of 2. Okay, 3. 22 divided by 2, answer is 11. So, then multiply 11 times 4, answer is 44. 1 times 3, 3. Improper ulit, i-divide po natin. 4 divided by 3, 1. 1 times 3, 3. Then subtract 4 minus 3, 1. Bring down 4. 14 divided by 3, answer is 4. 4 times 3, answer is 12. Subtract 14 minus 12, 2. So, paano ulit natin sulat? Whole number, numerator, and denominator. So, 14 over 2/3. Para ma-check po natin yung tama yung sagot, ito po yung gagawin natin. Multiply whole number to denominator and add the numerator. 14 times 3, that is 42 plus 2, 44 over 3. So, yun po. Next, 3 over 5 times 35. So, lagyan natin ng 1. So, 35 at saka 5, pwede po natin i-cancel. Common factor is 5. 35 divided by 5, answer is 7. 5 divided by 5, answer is 1. So, then multiply. 3 times 7, answer is 21. 1 times 1, 1. So, ngayon, i-divide natin 21 divided by 1. So, ang sagot po nun is 21. So, automatically, pag 1 ang denominator, whole number po yun. So, 21 divided by 1, the answer is 21. Another one, 1/6 times 18, right? Denominator 1. 6 at saka 18, pwede po nating ma-reduce sa lowest term by GCF or common factor na 6. Cancel, cancel. So, 18 divided by 6, the answer is 3. Kasi 3 times 18, 3 times 6, answer is 18. So, 16 divided by 6, 1. Multiply, 1 times 3, 3 over 1. So, 3 divided by 1, answer is 3. Yan po. Another one, 6 over 3 times 10. Lagyan po natin denominator na 1. Multiply, 6 times 10. Kasi hindi po natin pwede makancel yung 3 at saka 10. Kasi wala siyang common factor except sa 1. Kaya matik po natin i-multiply. 6 times 10, answer 60. 3 times 1, answer 3. Then divide po natin, 60 divided by 3. What do you think the answer? Okay. 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 times 3, 6. Subtract 0. 0. 0 divided by 3, answer is 0. 0 times 3, the answer is 0. Then 0. So our final answer is 20, whole number. Ayan learners, natapos na naman ang ating pag-aaral. Sana nakatulong ito sa inyo. Sa muli, this is Teacher Noel na nagsasabing, kung gusto mong matuto, una, bukas ang isipan. Pangalawa, bukal sa puso. Pangatlo, makinig na mabuti para masabi nating ang math is okay. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!
I've been all around the globe trying to protect Now